looking for probabilities that are associated with the standard normal distribution, and for that I'm using the TI-84 plus C. When we have the standard normal distribution, that means that the mean is 0 and the population standard deviation is 1. So the first example that I want to show is we're looking for the area to the right of 1.15. So for that we're using a normal CDF function. So first of all, you press second and VARS to enter the distribution menu, and then you scroll down through the list until you find normal CDF and then press enter. So on your screen you see the normal CDF function, and you also see that we have to input a lower value, an upper value. Now for a standard normal distribution, the mean and the standard deviation are already given, so we're not touching them, and then we're just going to paste. So in this problem that I want to show you, we have a z-score that is 1.15, and we want to find the area to the right of that z-score. So what we need is an upper bound or a lower bound, and my lower bound for an area to the right is actually the number, so we enter 1.15. My upper bound, we scroll down, and for the upper bound we're using 9,999 as our most right endpoint. The calculator has those values built in, but I'm always using those here, and that seems easier. And it's just for rounding purposes. Since the calculator doesn't have infinity, we're just going to a really high number. Then we scroll down. We don't touch this because for standard normal distribution that is already given. Then we go to paste, and then we press enter. And then on your screen you will see the values that we just entered. So press enter again. So the probability is 0.125. Now we're looking for an area to the left. Let's say an area to the left z-score of 1.13. So again, we press second, VARS, scroll down to number 2, press enter. So now my lower bound is negative 9,999. So use the negative symbol and press 9999. My upper bound, scroll down, in this case is 1.13, I do believe I said. And we scroll down, don't touch these values, paste, press enter, and enter again, and your probability, depending on the rounding rule, 0.871. Now let's look for the area in between two values. So again, we're using normal CDF. So second, distr, scroll down to number 2, press enter, or you can just press number 2. Now I'm looking for the area between negative 1.78 and positive 0.41. So my lower bound is now negative 1.78. My upper bound 0.41. We scroll down, paste, press enter, and enter again. And the area or the probability is 0.622 depending on your rounding rule. That's how you find the area for given z-scores.